Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix financial stress with Chime, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by acknowledging the commonality of financial stress. It's important to know that you're not alone in feeling this way. Introduce Chime as a tool designed to help alleviate financial worries. Begin by downloading the Chime app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account. Provide your personal information, such as your name, email, and phone number. Set up a secure password to protect your account. After your account is created, link your bank account for easy transfers. This will allow you to automate your savings and streamline your budgeting. Explore the features available within the Chime app. Familiarize yourself with the spending account and the savings account features. Consider setting up direct deposit for your paycheck. This ensures that your funds are deposited directly into your Chime account. Use the Save When You Get Paid feature to automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into savings. Additionally, take advantage of the Roundup feature for your daily purchases. This feature rounds up your transaction amounts and saves the difference. Create a budget using the built-in budgeting tools. Input your income and track your expenses to see where your money goes. Review your spending habits regularly to identify areas for improvement. Utilize Chime's transaction notifications to stay updated on your finances. Set financial goals within the app to help you stay motivated. This can include saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or debt repayment. Monitor your progress towards these goals periodically. If you encounter any issues, consult Chime's support resources for assistance. Stay proactive in managing your finances to reduce stress. Regularly review your financial status to make informed decisions. Embrace a positive mindset as you work toward financial stability. Remember, managing financial stress is a gradual process, not an overnight change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.